So all of our critical systems and all of our infrastructure are routinely inspected, preventative maintenance is conducted, and we're constantly repairing our systems. I'll give you an example. Every month we have a crew from an outside agency that comes through and walks all of our roofs, looks at trouble spots, looks at any tears in the roof membrane, and assesses all of those things, and even gives the roofs a score based on where they sit at that point in time. And then we immediately follow up with repairs as soon as weather permits to take care of those issues. So they are being walked monthly, they're being repaired monthly, we're patching them monthly. Over the course of, in some cases, we have roofs that date back to the 1980s. So repairs take place, we've put protective coatings on the roofs, we've done everything we can to extend the life of that roof. At some point, they just fail. We can't coat them anymore, we can't patch them anymore, we can't stop water from coming into classrooms below. That raises concerns, obviously, from a comfort standpoint, but also an environmental standpoint in our classrooms. We are facing those issues right now with tens of thousands of square feet of roof in the district. So that's just one example. Other examples, we go through our HVAC systems, we're looking at our unit ventilators, we blow them out, we clean them out, we're greasing motors and pulleys and things like that. We're changing air filters on a quarterly basis in all of our unit ventilators that serve the classrooms. At some point, we can't get parts for those units anymore. For example, motors. We can't, just cleaning and keeping them operating, well, just isn't enough at some point. At some point, those things begin to fail. And that's where we are in a lot of our buildings. These systems are 50, 60, 70 years old. It's just their time. And instead of replacing just those systems in a classroom that was built for 1950s or 60s education, we seriously need to look at having a new facility built for 21st century education that doesn't also have those infrastructure issues as well.